Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am DUWAIN-SCENT and I am here helping you to smell your best. Alright, so in today's video I am unboxing Armani Stronger With You Freeze. So this is my first Armani fragrance in my collection. Alright, so we have a dark gray box with some silver line around the box. Wow, the bottle is very beautiful and frosted. Right. So we have a round cap. So this fragrance was released in 2020. Really don't want to remember about the year 2020. May I know what happened in 2020. Alright, so I'm going to smell the juice. Before I spray the juice, I'm going to read out some of the notes. Alright, so we have top note, apple, ginger, mandarin, orange, lemon. Middle note, bourbon, geranium, cardamom, lavender, and sage. And for the base notes, bourbon, vanilla, cassia wood, amber wood. Beautiful. Alright, so the sprayer worked very nice. Wow, this is very nice. Alright, so I'm gonna put a little on my hand. I'm kinda getting a very sweet, synthetic, and it's also fresh, very fresh. Smell very tasty. So in the community, I don't get a lot of negative comments in the community while I'm doing my research. Persons only complain that it doesn't last long on their skin. This is my first Giorgio Armani fragrance. I can't tell you, I can't compare this to the other flankers and the original, but it is very nice. It smells very masculine and youthful at the same time. Very sweet and very tasty. This kind of lean more to, well, this come like something you can wear just about any time, but it leans more to spring. And you can also wear it in the summer, but you know, more like a spring fragrance. But I like it. I like how it smells. It kind of like a spicy, but not too much spice. But it is very sweet and fresh at the same time. Okay, so this is my first Giorgio Armani fragrance, and I'll tell you some more about it in the future. Possibly a review